Thinking about growing your own vegetables? Great! Now let's dive into the pros and cons of two popular methods, planting directly in the ground and using grow bags. Traditional ground planting offers several benefits, especially for those with access to good soil. Planting directly in the ground allows roots to spread, often leading to larger, healthier plants. The soil ecosystem, full of beneficial microorganisms, naturally aids plant health. However, ground planting may not be ideal if your soil is poor quality or if you have limited space. For gardeners in small spaces, grow bags offer a flexible alternative. These lightweight, portable bags let you garden on patios, balconies, or even indoors. Grow bags provide excellent drainage, preventing root rot, and they're easy to move to catch optimal sunlight. However, grow bags need more frequent watering and may require added nutrients, as the soil in bags can deplete faster. If you have ample space and rich soil, ground planting could be more efficient. But if you're short on space or soil quality is a concern, grow bags provide versatility. Ultimately, it's about what fits your gardening goals and environment. Experiment and find what works best for you, and enjoy the journey of growing your own fresh produce.